Okay, now I'm going to introduce about a topic which is how to become lazy.
Mm-hmm.
If I say if someone wants to become a lazy, they have to sleep more. They don't need to listen their parents. They have to sleep more. They don't need to move anywhere to be lazy. They have to watch. They have to surf more internet on their mobile. And if I say if someone wants to become lazy, they don't need to play any types of game as a indoor as a outdoor. We can say we can play game on internet to be lazy. And another thing I can say that if someone wants to be a lazy, they they don't they don't need to read, they don't need to study any book, anything to be lazy. And another thing, that's all. Then I will continue after someone.
Okay, okay.
That's good.
So who start next?
Okay, anyone? Balram?
Okay, yeah. Okay, let me tell you. The the topic is how to become lazy. Like if
Mm-hmm.
I wanna be lazy, if I wanna be lazy, so I don't have to you hear. I don't need to hear to topic about this. I think the first, other is I don't need to do hard work and I don't need to and I don't need to any think about my goals and I don't have to set a goal to work that and all that things like I do you if you want to be a lazy person and want to be unsuccessful, then you don't think about your future. Just do what you do what the lazy person do. Okay, that's it.
Okay. Ram, I want to ask one question. Are you a sometimes lazy or procrastinate person or not? Do you also sometimes procrastinate
Yeah,
the
yeah,
thing?
yeah. I just delay the work. Like sometimes that's why I'm here. Otherwise, I just follow the successful people's rules. Then I'll be in next level, like not that level. I
Okay.
think the every people have a own like laziness and procrastination. That is a kind of normal things.
Okay. All
Okay.
right. Okay,
Everyone knows
Nabil?
how to work.
Yeah, right. But
So
we are doing opposite. That's why I choose this topic.
okay. So Dhruv, can I start now?
You can.
Okay. So firstly, I will say why we become procrastinated and why we make lazy in our day-to-day life. So there are various reasons why we become procrastinated and lazy. So there is one reason is that we do not have make purpose in our life. So if we do not have any purpose in our life, so then we make easily distract from anything. So like if we do not have any goal, so then first thing that distract us is social media. So then we can watch some videos related to comedy, action, romance, and etc. etc. So uh, so if we do not have goals, so then we can uh, we like to do these type of the activities. So my main reason is that if we do not have goal, then we do not do any work. So this is reason one, and yeah, right now I know only one reason. So after any one say about this topic. So after that, I will talk about more.
Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, according to me, if we want to become more procrastinated, unsuccessful, and also lazy, so what we can do, we can start to make excuses. You know, I think this is a very best part of it. If we start to making excuse, we can do all the things. You know, and I'm going to tell you that why we do. I mean, now I'm just talking about myself. I'm also a sometime kind of a person who is not always consistent, especially in studies. Okay, and also sometime I just because I sleep too much, you know, so I feel sometimes lazy. And whenever I try to get up, you know, there is something in my mind. Okay, there is nothing to sleep, 1 hour more, 1 hour more, and this is how we procrastinate again and again, and we sleep too much more, and this is how we waste our time. And also, if we are sleeping too much, so we end up in a laziness, too much laziness, we can say. And just because if we get up 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, or 6 o'clock, or maybe earlier for some people, at that time we have something to do. I think we can say we have a whole day to do something, because in our India, everything is happens in, you know, in a daytime, not in a night time, most of the thing. So if we get up at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, so one part we have lose, you know, the morning part that people are working, weekend work, that part we have lose. So I think sometimes this is also a reason we start feeling laziness, because we have not started a proper in a proper timing. If we start to get up in a proper timing, at least we can start doing our own work. Another thing, how to be stay unsuccessful. Yeah, it is very easy for all the people. There are more than 90% people who are actual unsuccessful, you know, just because they are also thinking, and just because they are also not working. If you will talk about me currently, I'm also not a kind of successful person. Successful, I think the definition of unsuccessful, here I'm only going to talk about these words because we are talking about that. So the definition of being unsuccessful is, according to me, uh, whatever you are trying to do, you are not doing it in a proper way. Or if you are feeling that, you know, like, if I'm going to take example of English language, if we are working on it every single day, so we can be smarter, we can be expert on it, but somehow we uh, procrastinate and we inconsistent, we are not practicing every single day. So this is how I think we are unsuccessful. But if we have decided to work on it every single day, and we are doing it, you know, we are doing it in a proper way, I think that is a way we can reduce that part unsuccessful. This is a success. I think definition in my mind, and for different people they have different success definition, because it is not only related to my money, it is also related to do the work you want to do and you are doing. Okay, and the other term was how to be, you know, okay, I think I have talked all the points. So at the last, just because we don't have more time, so I want to sum up in that word. If we don't want to do anything, we have to sleep a lot, you know, we have to watch, we have to benching a lot, and us teach your younger one. Okay, just teach your younger one, so we can again tell them, oh no, I have to study, but we are doing something else sometime, you know, because just half an hour getting time for our younger one, I think it is not a big deal. Even though if you are a